God, wait, if that is what it is, that's a huge. Oh, the tag is stabbing me.
You get it?
No, I can't. The bag is slightly like. You can't, Quentin, never doubt the reality of magic and love. You've been a good boy this year. Keep up the good work. Saint Nick.
What? You got a personalized gift for me?
Oh god, that's huge.
He actually came? I missed it. That is, oh, you're not old enough to wait. You gotta wait for 3 more years before you're allowed to
It
play
takes
with
16 years to eat this.
4,867 pieces. That's like the biggest one I've ever seen, I think. You see all those characters it has in it too? Jeez. It's very sweet. That'll take a little bit to put together, yeah.
He's speechless. He's like not even talking.
Are any of these new designs?
Yeah.
You don't have these also?
Well, like,
Similar?
they completely, like, rebranded and remade Ninjago.